Morning, everybody. Gary Porter again. I'm going to get you up to date on what I've got going on here. This is going to be just a mounting board, and this is a piece of wood that I've bolted to the stator coils, and I've got my 3 power connection for the phases here. This is a small PC board that I'm making up. It has the three Hall sensors on it. They actually will work 1 inch away from the rotor magnets, so that's pretty awesome. That's going to be mounted right in here. And then the original board that was with the motor, I cut the Hall sensor portion off, and I kept the motor connection portion, so that I could just plug that right on. And then I found out that I didn't know if I could solder these connectors, but I could solder 3 wires to these connectors, so that takes care of all that problem. Next, I got to get the machine shop. Is going to take my rotor, and they're going to make me a shaft thing here with just a collar on the end. They're going to weld the collar on, then just make the whole thing true. Put the 3 holes in it, and then that's going to mount to the rotor. You can see I've removed the plastic thing from the center. This is half of it. This is the good side, and this was actually it was glued in there, and not glued in, but they actually molded the plastic all at one time on both sides of this, right with this fitting in the middle. That's pretty interesting how they did that. So I took a Dremel tool and I simply cut all these pieces off, and I finally got this thing out of there with a hammer and chisel, and it just popped right out once you get one side off. But everything looking good. No broken magnets. We're getting closer. And anyway, that's it for today. Have a good one.